All right, guys, Washington Shores, one of the hidden gems in Orlando. This is straight from the hood, but it is a hood classic. You guys stay tuned to show you exactly what they're working with. And this is good fish, man.
Big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guys, big guys. And we be
What up, family? Back in this joint. I'm making Herbie family back in this joint, man. Hey guys, West Shore Foods. My goodness, this is gonna be real quick. Anyway, you get the information. You're here in Orlando. I'm show you exactly what they're working with. Really quick. Okay. This should be the shrimp right here. Woohoo! That's a shrimp. This is, oh my goodness, that's it. All right, this is a 10-piece shrimp. It was $11 for this. I'm not sure why that was $11, but it does make up for the next plate I'm about to show you. So this is a tilapia plate. Open it up real quick. Got fries, got light bread. Look at that, look at all that fish. And sitting on top of those fries. But this is not my plate, so I don't want to open it. This is what I ordered personally for myself. This is the whiting tray. You see the bread, hood style, and look at the fish. This was $11.50. Look at that. And it's sitting on the bed of fries. And getting the hush puppies at the bottom right there. My goodness. Yes, sir. So we're going to taste this and see how it tastes. It's fries, nice thick fries, shoestring fries. The hush puppies. Really, really good. All right. The fish. This is whiting. Give it a taste. Mustard, hot sauce, and a Coke. 45. All right, guys. Condiments, your hot sauce. Gotta have your mustard. Have your ketchup for the fries. And should be tartar sauce in here somewhere. Just ask for it. Anyway, tartar sauce is in here as well, somewhere. But just want to bring you guys that quick food review. Orlando. I'll put the address in the description, but it is West Side Shore Seafood. Okay. I know I scanned by the shrimp, but this is a shrimp. I'm gonna taste it real quick. All right. Not bad. Not bad at all. I mean, for $10 and some change, a bit more, but hey, I probably should have ordered the meal, but it's one of my first times here, so next time I know. So if you get the shrimp, a 10-piece shrimp, order the meal, you get your money's worth. You know what I'm saying? Don't just order the shrimp like I did.